Hari Om children, this is sum number 5 in exercise number 7.3. A capsule is in the shape of the cylinder with the two hemispheres stuck to each of its end. So it is a cylinder, a capsule, tube capsule will be there now. You should imagine that. Okay. So at the both ends it will be hemispherical in shape and in between it will be cylindrical in shape. If the length of the entire capsule is 12 millimeter, I'll just draw it. So the length of the entire capsule is 12 millimeter. Okay. Then what else is given? And the diameter of the capsule is 3 millimeter. If the diameter is 3 millimeter, then what will be its radius? 3 by 2 millimeter. Okay children. How much medicine can it hold? Inside there will be medicine, powder medicine, no? That volume they are asking. What you have to do? Volume of two hemispheres plus volume of the cylinder. Now I'll divide the page into two to write the measurements. One part is cylinder, the other one is hemisphere. Volume of medicine it can hold equal to volume of two hemispheres plus volume of cylinder. What is the formula for finding volume of hemisphere? Two hemispheres are there, so 2 into, okay, 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of the cylinder formula is pi r squared h, cubic units. So for cylinder we need r and h. Okay. For the cylindrical part, radius is 3 by 2 millimeter, and for height we have to find out. Okay. See, already in one sum we have seen volume, this height of the hemisphere and the radius of the hemisphere will be equal. Height is equal to radius. Clear children? Why? Because this is a sphere. Half of the sphere is hemisphere. From the center part to the end of the circle, it is radius everywhere. Is it so or not? So if I cut the sphere into two, it will become a hemisphere. Hemisphere is this part alone. So if from the center to this is radius, and this can be mentioned as height also. And height and radius are equal only. If this is 3 by 2 millimeter, this is also 3 by 2 millimeter. So h is equal to r is equal to 3 by 2 millimeter. I need to calculate what is the height of this cylinder. Okay, the total height is 12 millimeter. Height is equal to 12 millimeter. Okay, 12 minus 3 by 2 into 3 by plus 3 by 2. Both these. Okay, so plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 times 3 by 2 is there. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. H is equal to, this is not plus, 12 minus the whole part minus this part and this part. Okay, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 12 minus 3 is 9. So height of the cylinder I got it as 9 millimeter. Now hemisphere. Hemisphere, what else I need? I need R only. So R is already there, 3 by 2 millimeter. If you just substitute in the formula, we can find out the answer. So 2 into 2 by 3, pi will be, just a minute. I'll take the common parts and all outside. Which is equal to, pi I'll take outside. R is common for both the things, and so R squared I can take outside. That's all. Remaining 2 2's are 4. 4 by 3 and R, remaining 1 R will be there for the hemisphere, and here H will be there. So which equals 22 by 7. R squared is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. 4 by 3 into R, 3 by 2. Plus what is the height? Height of the cylinder is 9 millimeter. So it is 9. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled 2 times. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Now the remaining will be 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. So nothing to cancel here. Everything we can multiply and divide it. Okay. 22 into 11. 22 into 11, 242 into 3 3s are 9 divided by 7 2s are 14, 14 into 2, 28. Now multiply, 9 2s are 18, remainder 1, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 1 37, 9 2s are 18, 19 20 21 divided by 28. Let me check out the answer. I can cancel it here itself, so I didn't notice it. Okay, no problem, I'll cancel it now. 14 times 1 2 is to 0, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18. Now 1089 divided by 14. 1089 divided by 14. Let me say 5 times. 5 4s are 20, remainder 2, 1 5 is 5, 6 7. So now it is 7 times. 7 4s are 28, balance 2, 1 7 is 7, 8 9, 0 1, 109 again. Again we will have 7 times. 98, 1 1, add 1 0, point again I will have 7 times. 98, 10 0 0. 2 times, 1 times, 120. We'll go for 8 times. 8 4s are 32. Remainder 3, 188, 9 10 11. So we'll stop here. Your answer will be 77.78 millimeter cube. Volume of the medicine it can hold is 77.78 millimeter cube. So that's all about sum number 5. Hari Om.